So minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactor. What is meant by minor? What is meant by cofactor of the particular element will be there. So first let us consider the one matrix A. This matrix let us consider Aij of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, and A11, A12, A1. Determinant of this matrix is nothing but A11. So the determinant of the matrix A can be calculated in 6 different ways. Already you know that. They are expanding the determinant along the row 1, row 2, row 3, and expanding it either column 1, column 2. So if you are expanding along the row 1, the first row, so whatever the first part you are going to get minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, A11. So multiply the first element by minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, and the second order determinant obtained by deleting the first row and first column of the matrix A. So this is the way to calculation. In this matrix, the A11 first row, first column will be deleted, and whatever the 2 by 2 matrix we are going to get, that matrix determinant we are going to take for calculating of the determinant of the matrix 3 by 3 plus A11 if you are taking. The cofactor of that A11 is the matrix obtained, the minor of that particular element Aij of the any matrix may, you try to remember that cofactor and minor will be for each and every element. Each and every element. So here whenever you are taking into consider, the Aij is an element if you take, the minor of this element Aij of the determinant of the matrix A can be obtained by finding the determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting the ith row and jth column. Just ith row and jth column delete करके whatever you write, the matrix determinant you will get, that is represented by Mij. Now you see minor of element A12. If I want to find it, A12 means first row second column to be deleted. First row deleted, second column. Whatever the matrix obtained, that determinant should be taken into consideration. A13, first row and third column to be deleted. Then matrix, whatever you will get, that determinant should be found. That is called minor of that particular element. Okay. So like this, minors of each and every element can be find out, and the particular element, see, this can be written as in a simplest way, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, A11 into M11. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into A12 into M12. Whatever that determinant we are writing, already we know how to find out, and that is having a special name that is called minor. That's why it is given as M11, M12, M12. When you are expanding along the row 1, whenever you take into consideration. And minor of an element of an order n, where n should be greater than 2. Okay, so whenever you take this one into the consideration, here it is given that so what is here it is where the minor of any element of a determinant of order n greater than or equals to 2 is the determinant of order n minus 1. थर्ड ऑर्डर मैट्रिक्स का एलिमेंट्स को डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड आउट कर रहे, सॉरी माइनस फाइंड आउट कर रहे, तो then second order determinants we are going to get. Okay, so that is the one point you need to remember here in this situation. Consider the determinant of the matrix Aij, and whatever we are getting here, A minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into M11 is there. That is called cofactor of the, means including the sign. Including the sign should be taken as a cofactor of the that particular minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into M12 is considered as a cofactor of the that particular element A12. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 into M13 is considered as a cofactor of the A13. So cofactor is nothing but Aij is an element of the determinant of the matrix if you consider ith row jth column of the square matrix. A cofactor of the Aij is minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. What is Mij? Minor. Mij is a minor. Minor, how do you get? By deleting that particular row and column, we are going to get the Mij. And the cofactor of the any particular element will be written denoted by capital Aij. It is denoted by capital Aij. So now here determinant of the matrix can be written as simple way A11 into capital A11, A12 into capital A12, A13 into capital A13. You can write like this. Okay. So expanding in second row, if you consider A21 into A21, A22 into A22, A23 into A23, capital A23. Capital A23 is nothing but that is a matrix. Third row, first column, whenever you take second column, third column also in the same way, we can write the determinant of the matrix using the minors and the cofactors. It's an easy task to yours to find out the minors and cofactors. Okay. So whenever you are taking the determinant of the matrix is equal to the sum of the products of the elements of the row or a columns with their corresponding cofactors. So determinant can be found out with the help of the cofactors. That is only we did actually, but we are having these cofactors. We have to learn these cofactors specially because with the help of this we are going to see minor of the M12 means minor of the A12 means it is represented by M12. M12 can be written as first 12 is nothing but first or second column to be deleted. And cofactor of A12 is nothing but capital A12 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 and the first row second column is deleted means whatever the matrix we are going to get it's a determinant. So like this each and every element minor and cofactor can be found out. Each and every element minor and a cofactor. So determinant of the matrix is equals to the sum of the products of the elements of the row or a column with their corresponding cofactors. So this is the way to find out the cofactors and minors and determinant with the help of that which already we have learned in the previous classes. So if elements of the a row or a column are multiplied with the cofactors of any row or column means any other row, एक corresponding elements ये point आप observe करो इसमें observe कर ले तो if elements of the row or a column are multiplied with the cofactors of the any other row or a column मीन्स वन रो को लेकर दूसरा रो का कॉलम्स को दूसरा रो का कोफैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया तो द सम बिकम्स जीरो that is nothing but here example will be given to you. You see here a12 a yes if you take this one the matrix minus 1 2 4 4 1 2 sum of the products of the elements of the first row with the cofactors of the corresponding elements of the second row is 0 means that means first row elements will be multiplied with the corresponding cofactors of the second row. So second row ka cofactors find out karna. So that is nothing but here a11 को कैपिटल A21 से a12 को कैपिटल A22 से a13 को कैपिटल A23 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो द रिजल्ट बिकम्स जीरो. सपोज a11 को a कैपिटल A11 से a12 को कैपिटल A12 से a13 को कैपिटल A13 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे तो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर मैट्रिक्स वी आर गोइंग टू गेट. So now we'll see that M21. M21 is nothing but minor we are finding. First A21 find out करना है उसके लिए minor का जरूरत है. So we will find out the minor here in this situation. Okay. So the minor of the second row first column means second row delete first column delete. So what matrix you are getting 2405. The determinant of this matrix is 10. So A21 will become पहले A22 फाइंड आउट करना है, सो M22 फाइंड आउट करते हैं। M22 वी आर गेटिंग -13, M23 A23 फाइंड आउट करना है, M23 इज इक्वल्स टू -4। नाउ A21 is nothing but -1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into M21. So -10 we are going to get. -10. -1 into 10. -10. So A22 is nothing but -1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into M22. So -13 we are going. A23 -1 to the power of 2 plus 3 M23. We are going to get +4. Now what to do here? Not only the first row here, even if you multiply with the second row also these elements, you are going to get 0 result. You can check 2057 से भी multiply करो. Not only -1 to 4, -1 into -10, 2 into -13, 4 into 4, -1 into -10, 2 into -13, 4 into 4. This result we are going to get it as a 0. Not only this, 2 into also 2057 से भी multiply करो, the same result we are going to get it. If elements of the matrix are like this, if we are multiplying, okay. Now let us see the questions based on the this exercise problems what is given to you. Let us see. Very simple exercise. Exercise 4.4 is nothing else. Just we are having the 5 problems in this exercise. So let us complete that. Let us try to complete it. Now it's exercise 4.4. With this, you are going to get the again how do we find out the determinant minor? Write the minor cofactor of the elements of the following determinants. For every element, it is asking. So 2 by 2 matrix, first 2 problems you can do it. 2 by 2 matrix only. That is, so 3 by 3 matrix. Let us find the minors and cofactors of the second problem. So second problem, let us take it to consider. Second, 10435 -1 go 0 1 2. So this is the determinant. So here, what is A11? Can anyone reply? We need to find out M11 is nothing but minor of A11. That is nothing but here 1 minor of. So minor of this means you need to find out the this row and column to be deleted. 5 -1 1 2 which is equals to 10 plus 1 which is equals to 11. Like this, every element you need to find out. M12. So minor of A12. What is A12 here? First row, second column, 0. So that 0 ka 3 -1 0 2. Imagine that this row and column deleted. The matrix obtained is equals to 6 minus 0 is equals to 6. In the same way, M13 is equals to, we are going to get minor of A13 is 4 here. So that particular row and column delete, we are going to get 3 5 0 1 which is equals to 3. Like this minors you have to find out. Okay. Now what do you get here? Like this only same A1 13 हो गए ये M21 is nothing but minor of A21 minor of A21 what is that element better you write like this in the brackets. So this row and this column is deleted 0 4 1 2 which is equals to 0 minus 4 which is equals to -4. So be careful when you are writing this. Next, M22 is nothing but minor of A22. What is A22 here? It is 5. So which is equals to this row and this column delete. So we are going to get 1, 4, 0, 2, which is equal to 2. Next, in the same way, these problems are a little bit time consuming, but you need to practice. If you are practicing only, then here it is not necessary for me to do this problem now here. If I say that you can continue this, you will do it. So M23 means practice. You need ये ऐसे ही है ना, इतना ही है ना, मुझे आते हैं, ऐसा नहीं छोड़ना, समझ में आया बोल के छोड़ना नहीं, practice. You need to practice it. Okay. So M23 is nothing but minor of A23. Second row, third column, that is -1. So that row and column, if you are deleting 1001, we are going to get it. So the determinant of that matrix is equals to 1. Next, M31. So minor of A31, that is 0. 0, 4, 5 minus 1, which is equals to 0 minus 5 4s are 20, which is equals to minus 20. Like this, minus 3 1 हो गया, 3 2. M32 is equals to minor of A32. A32 element is 1. So इसका minor है, row and column delete करो. 1, 4, 3 minus. So be careful while deleting. Imagination. In the starting days, starting time, if you are getting confused with a pencil, if you want like this lines you draw, then after erase it. Suppose if you want here A, uh, minor find out third row, second column. So third row cancel, second row cancel. So what are the elements left over? That elements to write. Because sometimes ऐसा हवा में ये cancel है बोल के imagination कर ले तो दूसरा numbers लिख सकता है. Until and unless you get practice more, you are not supposed to do it directly. So -1, -12, which is equals to -13. We are going to get. Last minor M33 is equals to minor of A33, the element is 2 here. So 2 for this row and this column, 1035. 1035. So which is equals to 5. The problem is not completed. Only we wrote the minus. Immediately also cofactors you can write. Cofactors. What do we get cofactors? A11 means minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 means plus 1. So plus 1 as it is, 1 into 11. A12 means minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into M12. So minus should be multiplied to the M12. एक को माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एक एज इट इज लिखना है. एक को माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एक एज इट इज लिखना है. ये 13 is equals to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 into M13. So in this situation plus हो रहा है, तो as it is लिखना है. Whatever M13 we are getting, that is 3. A21 is equals to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 M21. So minus should be multiplied to the M21. M21 we are getting minus 4. Minus of minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4, which is equals to plus 4. A22 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into M22, which is equals to this will become plus. M22 value is 2. So 2 we are getting. Next, A31 is equals to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 into M31. 3 plus 1 means positive आ जाएगा. Sorry, still one more is left over. A23 is left over here. Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 M23. So minus 1 into M23. M23 we are getting as a 1. So we are getting this one as a minus 1. A31 minus 1 to the power of 4 plus आ जाएगा. M31 value whatever you get, that as it is you have to write. A32 is equals to minus 1 to the power of M32 value is again minus 13. So which is equals to plus 13 here. A33 is equals to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3, which is positive. So here we are going to get M33 is nothing but 5. This factor the group of one second cofactors of the third column.
Sir, the video is not coming, sir. Now it comes, sir. It is not coming at all.
So here 50 question answer 1 cofactors. Then if you A11 if you multiply that with the A, see here, do remember that in the fifth question is given the 4 options are given. Options not 4. Problem it's not doing the problem only. Like this minus load karna hai, then after cofactor. So next concept we are having adjoining. So why do we need we found the term but there is an adjoining matrix with the help of the inverse of the any without using the row transformation or column transformations we can find out the inverse of the matrix with the help of the adjoining. That is we are going to learn in the next class. So now fifth question is given that in this matrix is given to you delta is equals to A11, A12, A1, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the design. So in this first question, A is Okay, is it audible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
There's a network problem actually. I'm not able to. Can you hear me? You can leave the class.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
now
I'm
it
able
is
to.
cracking, sir.
Leave. So the class will end.